may share ako sa inyo guys. Nanonood lang po tayo dito ng mga video para makaipon tayo ng kita. Ayan, na-share lang din to sa akin at wala naman dito nakalagay na may babayaran. Ito siya, ito lang ang pipindutin, watch paid videos. Ayan, tapos i-click mo lang itong play now. So, ayan siya, total earning, nagka-countdown siya dito.
So let's teach you the science of how to use caffeine for elevated cognitive performance. Now, I'm Ria Doris, co-founder and CEO of Flow Research Collective, and along with my partner, Stephen Kotler, we've helped thousands and thousands of leaders access flow state at will. Now, caffeine has shaped the growth and direction of civilization over the last 3,000 years. Ever wondered what your city skyline would look like if caffeine never existed? All those steel and glass giant buildings built on a foundation of caffeinated consciousness. You see, caffeine is the molecule in powering the productivity behind the Enlightenment, the Industrial Revolution, and the IT revolution.
May nagsabi dito, May 25, 2025, ends video just sent me 1,744. This platform is the best for extra income. Ito namang isa, English just sent me $265, $2,656.
Because we tend to misuse the living hell out of it.
So,
the average American drinks about 3 cups
just
of coffee
received my 1,452 withdrawal.
4 hours before bed, then wrecks their
So,
sleep.
kaya guys,
How do we
panoorin
harness
nyo lang
caffeine
to.
to maximize its upside without the downside? Well, the solution is in the caffeine commandments, which we're going to cover in a moment.
So, ito siya, may timer naman
why
siya
these
dito.
caffeine commandments work so well, we need to look at the science. And before we look at the science, let's start with helping you determine your caffeine archetype, which is the first step in attaining caffeine mastery. So, which of these 4 archetypes
Mas matagal ka dito nanonood, mas malaki ang magiging earn natin dito. Pwede mong iwanan kung may ginagawa ka, wag mo na lang panoorin.
You may think caffeine is harmful or unhealthy, will give you unbalanced energy or negatively affect your sleep. Or you don't like the idea of relying on external sources of energy, so you don't use caffeine at all.
Pwede tayo dito mag-comment katulad niya.
You use caffeine, but without much thought or intention. Often you overdo it. You're not really sure if it's harming you, but you definitely know that you're not using it optimally. And then there's a very small chance you're in the 4th category, the mindful master, where you use caffeine to propel you forth into deep focus and long, uninterrupted states of flow and peak performance. So the true problem isn't that caffeine is just bad.
Kaya kahit hindi natin panoorin, okay lang, hayaan lang natin. Basta ang atin, lumaki ang ating balance dito. Ayan, nasa ano na siya.
That aids my health and that drives me into flow state with reliability. Now back to the science for a second. So new research suggests that caffeine can actually trigger a flow state. Now flow is an optimal state of consciousness where we feel our best and we perform our best. But for many professionals, flow state, though incredibly useful, is equally elusive. So can caffeine really trigger this elusive state? Well, research that we're doing with our chief neuroscientist, Dr. Michael Menino, of my organization, along with my partner, Stephen Kotler, Flow Research Collective, is going to be published soon. And in this research, we have found strong correlations between caffeine and the onset of flow state. First, caffeine stimulates increased dopamine and norepinephrine, which drive attention into the present moment and help catalyze flow. Flow follows focus, caffeine heightens focus. What it also does is stimulate the release of cortisol and epinephrine, the fight or flight hormone, which prepares the body for intense exertion, gearing you up for flow and prolonging the flow state. Third, caffeine desensitizes adenosine A1 receptors in the brain, which allow dopamine to have a greater effect, which means you get more focus more easily and then more flow off the back end of that focus. The research makes clear that it's a shame to not use caffeine or to misuse caffeine because it is a profound lever on peak cognitive performance.
Yan, ganyan lang ang gagawin natin. Iba ko na lang muna. So, punta tayo sa dashboard.
Master the caffeine commandments for flow, of which there are 6. 6 caffeine commandments. 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 6 caffeine commandments
Yan. Sponsor my YouTube channel. Pwede ganun. Tapos ito yung referral natin. Ito yung withdraw. So withdraw, pwede sa GCash, pwede sa PayPal, pwede sa Skrill, Binance, USDT. So halimbawa sa GCash dito. Tapos ilagay ang amount dito. Tapos ilagay yung USDT, tapos GCash number. May Philippines, ito. Philippines. Nag-withdraw siya ng $924. So, guys, nasa comment section at saka nasa description ang ating referral link. At saka ito na, mag-watch video lang. Tapos ito, sa mga comment pa lang nila, Invidious just sent me 2,875. This platform is the best for extra income. So, sa mga comment nila, talagang nakaka-receive sila ng kita dito, guys. So, yan. Sa pag mag-withdraw, click lang natin withdraw. Yan, pwede sa GCash. Click mo yung GCash. Dito sa baba, ilagay mo yung kung kaso 500 ang minimum dito bago tayo makapag-withdraw. Tapos, ayan, how to withdraw your earning via GCash. Basahin nyo na lang yan, guys. Yan, minimum 500 USDT. Yan. So, share nyo din ang inyong referral kasi dito sa ganitong platform, wala naman siguro tayong babayaran dito. Pero, yun nga, kailangan natin i-share ang ating referral. Pwede sa PayPal, Skrill, credit, debit card, Binance, USDT, TRC20. So, ito may nag-pop up approve withdrawal. Nasa baba kanina. So, ganun lang siya, guys. So, ito lang ang kanyang dashboard. Sponsor my YouTube channel. Kung gusto mo siya, ganun. Sa transaction, wala pa naman ako na-withdraw kasi, di ba, ka-join ko pa lang dito. Pero nakaipon na ako dito ng ito nang naipon ko, $10. Ayan. Ito yung timer. Ito yung kita natin. So, 10.07. Ito naman, 584. So, ito lang i-click natin. Watch speed videos. So, nandito naman ang ating referral. Ito. Click mo lang tong copy. So, yan. Ganyan lang, guys. So, yan. Yan. Ito yung plug ng Pilipinas. Itong 924 ang na-withdraw. So, hindi ko napahabain ng video kasi maingay yung aking mga kasamahan dito.